In traditional programming with computer, what we do is we provide computer with data and a program. Depend on the data as an input, using the program, the computer generates an output. This is traditional method of using any computer program. But in case of machine learning, but as far as machine learning is concerned, it is not similar to traditional programming. Here, it consists of the data and expected output, which will be given to the computer. And it learns the experience from the data and given program with, that is model we say, as output. So simple words, it is data and output we are providing, and the computer is learning the experience and generating a program in form of model.